The Dreadnought class is the future replacement for the Vanguard class of ballistic missile submarines. Like their predecessors, they will carry Trident II D-5 missiles. The Vanguard submarines entered service in the United Kingdom in the 1990s with an intended service life of 25 years. Their replacement is necessary if the Royal Navy is to maintain a continuous at-sea deterrent, the principle of operation behind the Trident system. Provisionally named successor, it was officially announced in 2016 that the first of class would be named Dreadnought and that the class would be the Dreadnought class. The next three boats will be called Valiant, Warspite, and King George VI. Since the retirement of the last Royal Air Force .177 nuclear bomb in 1998, the British nuclear arsenal has been wholly submarine-based. It is intended to deter a potential enemy because they cannot ensure eliminating the entire stockpile in a first strike if a ballistic missile submarine remains undetected. Since the Strategic Defence Review, the UK has maintained a stockpile of around 215 warheads, with around 120 active. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.